Hey guys, Carmelo here. And today I'm going to be ranking NHL goal horns. So let's go. I would give the horn a 5 out of 10 and the goal song 10 out of 10. It's a big goal song. Coyotes, no, 0 out of 10. But the song, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. But the howl, 10 out of 10. Also, shout out to Elite Goal Horns, the Bruins. I'm gonna give the horn 4 out of 10. But the song, I like Domination, so I'm gonna give the Go song 100 out of 10. Buffalo Sabres, 10 out of 10. But the Go song, is the Milwaukee Brewers home run song. So I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Flames, a 6 out of 10. And the Go song, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Canes, I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 10 for the goal, 1 out of 10 for the goal horn, and the song, a 6 out of 10. Blackhawks, 100 out of 10 for the goal horn, and goal song, also 100 out of 10. Colorado Avalanche, the 2022 Stanley Cup champions. Goal song 10 out of 10. And the horn, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Congrats to the Avs for winning the 2022 Stanley Cup. And the Columbus Blue Jackets, 5 out of 10. But the Canadiens, 10 out of 10, and the Gold Song, 1 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the Gold Song. Yes, my dad stars. Gold Horn, 10 out of 10. Gold Horn, 100 out of 10. Song, 100 out of 10. Stars, Dallas, Stars. I love the Dallas Stars. They're my favorite NHL team. The Detroit Red Wings, 1 out of 10. 100 out of 10. 1 out of 10. The Gold Song, three out of 10. Oilers, 10 out of 10. And the Gold Song, 100 out of 10.
The price of wireless Bluetooth has
Oh no, the ad.
Why is not?
Florida Panthers, 9 out of 10, and Gold Song. And the Gold Song, 1 out of 10. The Kings, 10 out of 10 for Gold Horn, and the Gold Song, 100 out of 10. Wild. Wild 6 out of 10 for the go home. And the song 10 out of 10 for the go song. The Haps 5 out of 10 for the go song 100 out of 10. Bring back little bugs. Roger Cutters, 100 out of 10. And now we get the gold song 6. New Jersey, 10 out of 10 for the go horn. And also 10 out of 10 for the gold song. New York, I'm gonna give it the go horn 7 out of 10. And the gold song 10 out of 10 for the gold song. New York Rangers 4. And the gold song 100 out of 10. Bring back the guitar. Bring back the one with the guitar. Ottawa Senators. 4 out of 10 for the gold song, for the gold horn. And a 200 for the gold song. I love song 2. It's my favorite songs of all time. Philadelphia Flyers 1. Philadelphia, bring back Droop as the gold song. Pittsburgh Penguins, a 9 out of 10, the gold song, 10 out of 10. San Jose 1, and the gold song 9 for the gold song. Seattle Kraken a 10 out of 10, and the gold song 10 out of 10. St. Louis. I'll give the gold horn a 5 out of 10 and the gold song a 9. Tampa Bay Lightning 10 out of 10 and the gold song 10 out of 10. And Tesla Gold and Tesla Coral 10 out of 10. Oh, I hate the Maple Leafs. I hate the Maple Leafs. 0 for the gold horn and 0 for the gold song. Vancouver. Gold horn, 10, gold song. 10 out of 9. Space Gold Knight. 6 out of 10 for Go Hornets. Go Song 10. Watch the Capitals. 10. Yes. I will. Watch the Capitals. Go Hornets 10 out of 10. And Go Song 10. Winnipeg Jets 2 for Go Horns. And 5 and 100 for the Go Song. Alright guys, that was me waking NHL Gold Horns. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn notification bell on. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.